welcome back to another video. I feel like I'm in kind of a creative, cool spot right now. Trail in front of me, kind of like where they made the bridge. I just kind of crawled down the hill and I have this little open field with nice trees. We're gonna check out some things and we're basically just gonna talk. Drone's only at 59%. Let's get this thing up in the air first. Cool. Up in the air. Put it in manual mode. It's really nice actually looking at this river. Like the trail that I normally go down. Wow, look at this dam, guys. We gotta check that out more later. But the trail that I normally go on is kind of over here where this bridge is. It goes that way. This is actually the trail that I run most of the time. And you know, you always look at this from a distance, but you can never actually go close enough. So it's kind of cool to see it from this angle. Honestly, like having an FPV drone, like I'm not super into FPV. I'm not super into like the, you know, custom drones and stuff like that, but like being able to wake up in the morning and just go film like an area like this is so crazy. Like it's just learning, like the learning process of how long it took me to actually get to this point where I'm kind of confident flying like this. It's pretty amazing. Now you have this skill. This is the dam. I'm telling you guys, this is like probably 3 feet. It is a decent dam. We're gonna go quickly and change the battery though. I don't know why, I'm on this like skinny edge, but even that seems a little scary to like when I can't see. So we're not gonna land this. I'm just gonna do like that. I know I don't think you're supposed to do that like that, but I'm not risking falling down there and then me have to jump down there. This looks like a decent fall. So I'm not doing that. This trail actually ends up going all the way to Lake Ontario. And this whole area here just looks like such a cool playground. haven't seen much on this side. This is a super nice area. I actually will be coming here again. It's also like just so therapeutic. Anytime you're about to lose connection, just make sure to go high in the sky. And that'll basically fix it. This is us though. It's funny with the gimbal, it's like a little different than most DJI drones because you could see the gimbal in it. But I still think it's cool to do that shot. I always like to just go in manual mode just to drop it down. Actually, screw that. It's never good to drop the drone too quickly because what happens when you drop the drone too quickly is it basically is just free falling. And because this is what you would call a cine whoop or a whoop, which is basically like it has the guards. I should quiet this down before I start talking. It has a lot of air resistance because basically if you have no throttle and you're just throwing it down like this, it's hitting all the wind and it's going like that. That's why you get like little shakes, which is normally fine and normally stabilizes itself, especially because even if it does do some wonky, you can throttle back up right away and take control. And another thing with that is no matter, actually, now that I think of it, no matter how wonky it gets, it doesn't really matter because these blades are always spinning. Even when they go the lowest, even if you drop the throttle all the way, the blades are always spinning, and I assume that's for like stabilization. That was just me rambling on for a second. Again, like people can like correct me for sure because I actually don't know 100% what I'm talking about. Like I know a decent amount about drones now, and I guess you would say I'm in the community, but for the most part, man, I just love flying FPV for the views and like just the freedom of being able to like, you know, like just go into an area and just to explore it. I just think that's amazing. But yeah, I got a lot more hobbies than that, honestly. I feel like this is like my side thing. I really do like going to the gym. I'm talking like I haven't already made videos before, and like I'm not developing an app. It's just funny the way I'm talking, because I just figure I'm a nobody right now. So it's cool to just let people know exactly what I'm doing every time. But for the people that have been sticking around, 4 people, I freaking love it, honestly. It's dope. It's like some a little bit of motivation to keep going. I'm also sipping on this Maison Perrier sparkling water. I'm about to eat like absolute garbage today, so drink a lot of this garbage to suppress the hunger. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one on a beautiful morning like today.